this progression is from the song called I Want It That Way by Backstreet Boys. To play this progression, we need capo on the 2nd fret. So using capo, we have this E minor shape again. So 4th string 2nd fret, we have just E. We are not holding full E minor with 2 fingers on 5th and 4th string. We are just holding 4th string 2nd fret and plucking 6, 4, 2, 3 on the right hand. So 6, 4, 2, 3. After this we come to 4 again. Then we go 2nd string 1st fret. We gotta hold and we gotta pull off. So after 4, we close that 2nd string open which we were playing before. 6, 4, 2, 3. Then we go 4. Now this time 2 with 1st fret on the 2nd string. And you gotta pull off 2 open and then pluck 3rd string. So it will be 6, 4, 2, 3. That's the first chord. Then we have C chord, 5, 4, 2. So keeping that 2nd finger on the 4th string helps to close the C chord easily. So it is C chord, 5, 4, 2. Then we go G, 6th string 3rd fret and 2nd string 3rd fret. 6, 4, 3, 2, 3. So from C chord. So hold it.